First, disconnect and remove the motor wires from the front controller. Then install the front motor wires onto the rear controller. Continue by connecting the wire between the front central control board and the motor to the rear controller. Then install the rear motor wires onto the front controller. Connect the wire between the rear central control board and the motor to the front controller. Finally, connect the power supply and turn on the system to test single and dual drive modes.